Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys sound and vibration setting, and today video title is guys how to on guys vibrate on ring setting in Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your phone vibrate and ring setting, so how to on in Oppo phone device. Today friends we are going to talk about it, sound and vibration setting, how to use it in Oppo phone device. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friend, first of all guys we will on guys phone setting guys. So guys phone setting guys we will on it. After on phone setting friends, scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting in your Oppo phone device. So friends, you will have to click guys your sound and vibration setting. Sound vibration is here, we will click here. So friends, you can see your whole sound and vibration setting, ringtone, do not disturb setting. So friends, you can see your vibrate setting. Phone vibrate setting is here, vibrate on ring setting and vibrate on silent. So guys, if you on this vibrate on ring, so my phone will ring on vibrate, and when vibrate on silent, so guys phone will vibrate with silent. So you want to only vibrate on ring, and guys you want to off, so you can on and off from here. Vibrate on silent, you want to on, you want to off, so you can off and you can on from here. So when we want to use this vibrate on ring setting, so guys we will on it. So when phone will vibrate on ring. So and friends, you don't want to use guys, you want to turn off, so guys you can off from here also. So like that guys we can on, and guys you can use guys your phone vibrate on ring setting. When call your phone will vibrate with ring. So like that guys we can on, and guys we can use vibrate on ring setting. And friends, again click on sound and vibration. Friends, you don't want to use vibrate on ring setting, you can off also if you want, but I want to use, I will keep it on it. So like that guy we can on and off vibrate on ring in Oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.